Today we're making grilled cheese! I was able to find some bread in the back of my pantry. It smells a little off, but it'll do. Right now I'm just picking off the little blue flavor specks. I don't like the taste of them. It tastes kind of fermented. Next, you want to take your bread and gently give it a fancy cut. Some yellow cheese, some white cheese, some Parmesan cheese, some stuff that's not cheese, a banana, a potato, a tomato, a refrigerator. Seal them up. Karen? Come on now. Nobody ever cleans up after themselves around here. Much better. Butterfly. Sandwich. Grilled cheese press. Give it a nice flip. Body slam. Create some steam. Shut off the heat. Crispalize. Fancy slice. Fancy pose. Make it rain. Some pickles. Supersize it. You get it? Supersize it. Whatever. Crispalize it. Taste test. Wisdom one-liner time. Listen to advice and accept instruction that you may gain wisdom in the future.